today we are doing a little haul. It is again the Family Dollar store. So I've got some LA Colors, I got some e.l.f. and everything else to show you. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I've got us outside again, and if I'm wearing the same outfit as in another video, it's because I am behind a couple of videos and I wanted to go ahead and get them done. So I'm doing them in the same day, and I'm doing them the lazy way because, well, I'm lazy. And I'm doing it outside so I don't have to use any lighting or anything like that. And of course, it is about to rain. So guys, we have got to kind of just skim through this video, but I'll be pulling up swatches and everything else of what I got. So let's go ahead and dive in. Alright guys, now the first thing that I got, and I love these things, I get them every year, and the first time I've ever seen them was a couple of years ago, and I just absolutely love them. Now the packaging is a little janky, but you know what, the product's good. It's the LA Colors. These are little holiday kits that they put out every year, and they have them in like highlighter and blushes, and also the contour and the bronzers. Now I chose to get the contour and bronzer. These are only $3. I love these. Now this is called the Shape and Contour Kit. There is 4 shades in this. Now there is of course a highlighter shade, there is a contour shade, and 2 bronzers. I absolutely love these. I just don't like the packaging. Now I do love the cardboard. I just wish they'd come up with a better idea for this part, because this part you got to kind of just pop that out, and of course it's just one of these little plastic things. And it's got the little lid on it. Now they are magnets, so I could put these in a Z-palette, and I think that would be a very good idea. So let's go ahead and see what is in it. Now it does come with a little book, and it shows you how to contour and how to bronze, and I think that's very neat. I think that's really cool for beginners. Very, very beginner friendly. I'm so sorry guys, the mosquitoes are awful. It does have a nice little banana shade to highlight up under your eyes, and of course that is matte, so it is perfect for up underneath the eyes. And it does have this contour shade. This isn't exactly my contour shade, but I did use it today. As a matter of fact, everything I have already used, guys, I had to tear into it. You know me, I cannot wait. So I've already used all this stuff, but I'll show you what I like and what I don't like. Now this, again, the contour shade is a little bit too dark for me, but I think it's beautiful. If you have a deeper skin tone, I think it would be absolutely beautiful, and that is a matte shade. Now, every contour shade that I use, it has to be matte, or I hate it. I hate it. I just hate it. I won't use it. Now, the 2 bronzers, of course, have a little bit of shimmer in them, but of course, the one that I used today was, of course, the lighter one, and it doesn't really show up too shimmery, so I did like that, but it is a beautiful kit for just $3. Now, of course, the next thing that I got, I love it, it was just $1, and it's a liquid highlighter. It's LA Colors Glow Nail Skin Illuminator Liquid Highlighter. This was the packaging. Of course, I've already read into it. This one is called Glow Nail Pink. Now, they did have one that was a little bit more bronzy colored, like a gold shade, and I think would look beautiful, beautiful on deeper skin shades. This does have a little pinky shift to it, but I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Next thing that I got was e.l.f. Now, this is supposed to be one of their liquid lip glosses. I don't know why it's called a liquid lip gloss, but it is extra lip gloss. This is in shade Luke. Now, I wanted this because it is that deep, dark, vampy color, and I love that the fall's coming, and I love picking out fall shades. I love, love, love the wand on this thing. It cut the perfect line, and it is pigmented enough to use it on its own, but you might want to wear a shade underneath of it because it does sort of go away. If you can tell, I'm wearing it by itself. Now, I did use a lip liner, and I didn't need to use that with this because this will cut out the perfect line. But it does tend to go away, so it's not really long wearing, but it is very pigmented. But it did take me a couple of swipes to get it to not look so patchy. Guys, I think this was $2. Next thing that I got was an e.l.f. bronzer. Now, again, this was on the $2 rack, and this is, of course, the packaging. Sorry, it's a glow bronzer. So there is a little bit of shimmer in this. Now, this is called Warm Tan, and it is the Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer. This bronzer, I'm in love with. I love it. I cannot believe I found, I mean, I love a bunch of bronzers, But a lot of shimmer bronzers, I don't like them with a chunky glitter in it. This just gives you that perfectly glowy skin, so I do love the bronzer. Next thing that I got, I had to go back and get this brush. This is the e.l.f. Selfie Ready Blending Perfector. Now, the reason I had to have this brush is because I love the way it's shaped for a highlighter. That is exactly what I use this brush with, and I think it can give you the perfectly placed highlight, like wherever exactly you're wanting to put your highlighter. I think this brush is perfect for it, and that's exactly what I've done with it, so I love the brush, and that was $3. The last thing that I got, remember this, guys, that I got the gold one, I got the nude one, so I had to go back and get this. This was only $1. This is the LA Colors. This is the Smoky Eyeshadow Kit. Now, this one is in Heat It Up. Now, if you remember, I've already got the one with the nude shades in it, and it has the beautiful gold and bronze, and they're just beautiful, and they are so pigmented. They wear long, and you don't really have to do a lot to them. Dig your brush in them too deep to get color, because they are just absolutely beautiful. Now, I had to go back, and I had to get the Smoky. And, of course, these brushes, I toss these. I don't use those brushes. I have to use my regular makeup brushes. Now, it does have a beautiful black in it. Now, it's not completely matte. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but it doesn't have much. And it's not the big chunky glitter that tends to fall on your face. And, of course, these three shades right here is, of course, shimmer. Now, this is kind of a blue shade. And then right here, it kind of looks grayish purple, so I think it's absolutely beautiful. And this one comes out to be a really icy white. And again, these are very pigmented, very beautiful. As it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys.